Ecolean is exhibiting at Anuga FoodTec for the 6th time, and we had a long tradition of always launching innovations at this show. This year we actually have 2 new filling machines, both with higher capacity but within the same footprint. We also have the complete range of packages for both chilled and ambient distribution. And another new thing is our sustainability approach, which is newly launched environmental product declarations, making it much easier for the producers to choose more sustainable packaging solutions.
Ecolean has always worked with the life cycle approach, and when it was time to make new life cycle assessments for our products, we decided to take it a step even further and make environmental product declarations, or EPDs as we like to call them. And an EPD is a life cycle assessment, but it follows a set of regulations or rules that defines the systems that should be studied during the life cycle assessment. And it also provides the customer with tools so they can start comparing packages to packages, comparing apples to apples by using the EPD system instead of just looking at the life cycle assessments. And we are the first in the business to do this.
If we look at both the EL6 and the EL2 Plus machines, they have actually come from both parameters. That's quite important. And the parameters actually derive from the markets where we are present at the moment and the activities we have with the customers there. We can see a very strong trend that more and more customers are looking more and more into the cost of buildings, the cost of operation of the machines. That's why speed is a quite big importance of the filling machine, and actually the output you get from the machine. So that, in combination with the utility consumption during production as well, has a quite big impact on the total cost of operation of the machine equipment. So looking at both the EL2 Plus, which is actually 100% increased capacity up to 12,000 speed, and the EL6 machine, that's up to 18,000 packages per hour. Both those are still with the same footprint as the previous versions of the same machines. Doing that, it also has the same amount of operators and technicians that do the maintenance on the machine. So doing the increase in speed while keeping the footprint and also the utility consumption on a good level, that is quite competitive edge that we are creating with the 2 versions of the machines. Another important thing with the new versions of the machines is to keep the simplicity of the machine when operating it, and also to maintain a good level of performance and not doing anything to compromise with performance overall when running the equipment.
The Ecolean concept at the Anuga FoodTec 2018 is a lighter life. And it actually describes how the machines and the packages are working together to create a lighter life. The machines are easy to operate, higher capacity within the same footprint, which enable customers to produce more with less. The packages, very easy to use for the consumers and also easy for the customers to reach out to the consumers. So a lighter life, that's what Ecolean is about at Anuga FoodTec.